1inch is a DEX aggregator that professes to empower quick, rewarding and secure tasks in the DeFi space by steering and associating different driving DEs. 1inch is the symbolic that drives the 1inch organization. Biological system, it works with numerous tokenomics and fills in as an administration and utility token. 2 years after their send-off, their tokens end up recorded on north of 50 trades, and certainly stand out with the rising fame of DeFi. In any case, 1inch is still moderately new in a steadily advancing business sector. What precisely is it, and how much potential does it have? Has it balanced out at a legitimate cost? Or does it actually have space to develop? 1inch Value Expectation 2022. Underneath, we investigate 1inch and look at certain subtleties as well as expectations to gauge a sensible cost for 2022, as well with respect to the impending years. It ought to be noticed that while value expectations depend on information, and frequently are dissected by man-made intelligence, they ought to never be taken as monetary exhortation or a strong reason for a speculation. It is in every case enthusiastically suggested clients do their own examination into the ventures whose tokens they wish to put resources into. 1inch Symbolic Value Expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022 1110. Plus 2.97% $0 6403 2022 1111 plus 1.20% $0 6294 2022 1112 1.58% $0 6121 2022 1113 2.65% $0 6054 2022 1114 2.21% $0 6081 2022 1115 plus 0.40% $0 6243 2022 1116 plus 1.26% $0 6297 2022 1117 5.72% $0 5863 2022 1118 5.03% $0 5906 2022 1119 0.89% $0 6163 2022 1120 2.69% 60 cents 1inch Symbolic Value Forecast 2022 NA 8.83% $0 5670 2022 DEC 21.76% $0 4865 2023 Jan 26.14% $0 4593 2023 Feb 17.55% $0 5127 2023 Blemish 10.17% $0 5586 2023 Apra plus 1.17% $0 6292 2023 May plus 12.34% $0 6986 2023 Jun plus 17.37% $0 7299 2023 Joel plus 27.19% $0 7910 2023 Aug plus 24.23% $0 7725 2023 Sep plus 32.57% $0 8244 2023 Aug plus 47.00% 91 cents 1inch Value Expectation 2025 Our expectation model sees 1 in CH coming to $1.62 in 2025. What will 1 in CH be worth in 5 years? The cost of 1 in CH in 5 years could lie around $1.40. 1-inch symbolic value forecast 2030 to 2040. What 1-inch organization will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees 1-inch organization coming to $4.04 in 2030. What 1-inch organization will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees 1-inch organization coming to $8.08 in 2040. Will 1-inch organization supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, 1-inch organization won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could 1-inch organization at any point reach $10? Indeed, 1-inch organization could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Might 1-inch organization at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for 1-inch organization to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Is 1-inch organization worth purchasing? We are promoters of reasonably unsafe money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a container of large cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with gigantic potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, 1-inch organization merits purchasing. Is 1-inch organization a wise venture? 1-inch organization is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will 1-inch organization be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach 36 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $4.04 or considerably higher. For what reason will 1-inch organization succeed and get more expensive? 1-inch organization has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees 1-inch organization ascending to $4.04 in 2030. For what reason will 1-inch organization fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short in light of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the task. Controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration. More effective contenders. Absence of all-around plan promoting methodology. Losing local area support. Likely weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. Might 1-inch organization at any point reach $100? Indeed, it is conceivable that 1-inch organization can reach $100 yet just in a far-off future, after 2030. How high will 1-inch organization go? Our determining model sees 1-inch organization value detonating and coming to $8.08 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for 1-inch organization? 1-inch organization will reach 36 cents in the following 90 days, which is a 40.6% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around 62 cents. Might 1-inch organization at